Today we are going to explore our module, Magento 2 Salesforce Connector, which simplifies syncing your store with Salesforce, automating customer data, orders, and leads. It boosts workflows and streamlines operations, an essential tool for scaling e-commerce. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcool.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. So we are on the admin and dashboard in the left menu. Go to the Salesforce Connector. Select Configuration. This will take you to the Connector Settings page, where you can manage the sync process according to your preference. The first step in this configuration is to click the Connect button. This will redirect you to the Salesforce login page. Enter your login credentials. Now, a connection is created successfully. Scroll down to the License Key section. Now you can see that the license key has also been validated successfully. Under this Category Products section, you can sync categories to Salesforce. If you want to sync categories to Salesforce, click on this drop-down and select Yes. Sync category product thumbnail images to files. If you want to sync it, select Yes. Choose Price Book to store your synced product prices in Salesforce. In the Customer section, select Yes if you wish to create an individual Salesforce account when syncing customer data. So I will select it Yes. Now choose Guest Customer for Magento Guest Customer. You can sync them as contact under a designated guest account. So I will simply select one of these guest accounts. And update account. If you select Yes, the connected account data will be updated and changed on every contact sync. The same goes for the update contact. Click it to Yes. Now here select a default record type to sync your Magento account and contacts records to that specific Salesforce record type. I have not created any record type on Salesforce, and that's why leaving it for now. If you want to sync the order and opportunity, select it to use Sync Order Sync Opportunity. Now real-time synchronization, it ensure the data is synced immediately whenever a change occurs in Magento. If you prefer this, you can enable it by selecting Yes for the sync of orders. Contact us. Categories, products and customers. We will see into this feature later in this video, but for the time being, we will not set this feature setting. Now move to the Reset Salesforce Mapping. This button here is to clear all the previous data mappings, but be sure to read the disclaimer before resetting. Finally, don't forget to click Save Configuration at the top left of the page to save your changes. Now the configuration has been saved. Now let's see the connector in action by syncing products to the Salesforce and navigate to the Salesforce Connector. And select Products under the Catalog section. Here you will see a list of your products. So here green ticks indicates that the products has been successfully sent to the Salesforce, and also a Salesforce product ID has been generated. You can choose to export on or sync individual products by clicking on this drop-down button and select Export. So let's check it. If we can export this product or not. So click on this Export button. Here, you can see that the product has been successfully exported. This green icon is showing. And also, the product and also the Salesforce product ID has been generated. So click on this product ID. Here the product has been also synced in the Salesforce. You can see the details here. The price also synced. Now move back to the real-time synchronization settings. So go to Salesforce Connector. Click on this configuration. Scroll down to real-time synchronization settings. Now select all the objects you want to synchronize in real time. So order and opportunity synchronization. Yes, selecting it is. I want my contact to be synchronized in real-time categories, products, and customers. Now click on this Save Configuration button here. So the real-time configuration settings has been done. Further, let's move on to test this feature by creating a new product in Magento. If it works, it will automatically sync the changes made in Magento to Salesforce. Now head to the Sales Catalog section. Click on this product option. Now here are my product section. You can see all the different products created here. Now, if you want to add product, click on this button here. Now I want add product name and price, quantity weight, for around 7 pounds, under category. So you can select category from here. If you want to create a new category, click on new category and create a new category named camera. Now I will select the parent category here. Click on this button create category. Now the category is added in the category section. Country of manufacturer. If you want to add description product, the description, you can add from here. And let's add it. Now add the image of the product. Click here. Now the product image has been added. To save this product, click on this Save button. Now let's see if the product has been added automatically in real time. So click on the Salesforce Connector here. Go to the product. Now, here you can see that the product has been added and also synced in real time. So click on this Salesforce Product ID to check if it syncs in real time or not. So the product has been synced in Salesforce. You can find the details here. Also the product prices is also synced. Now, under Salesforce Connector setting, navigate to Account Mapping in the Mapping section. Now you can see this option to see existing field mapping and create new field mappings according to your needs. Here, you can map Salesforce account fields on the left to Magento fields on the right. So I will select a field from Salesforce and also a field from Magento. And click on this Add button to add the field. And click on this Add button to map the fields. So the field has been added successfully. To save mappings, you can click on this button. And if you want to reset the mapping fields, click on this Reset Mapping button. This dynamic field mapping gives you total control over how data flows between Magento and Salesforce. You can do the same for contacts, order, and products. Now that you are familiar with most of the Salesforce features, let's take a look at how to manage potential data duplication during this process. Now navigating to Connector Features and select Matching Criteria. Let's begin with the Account Matching Criteria. You can see here that a condition has already been created with the email. Analyzing this condition, the connector can create a new record if no matching account is found or update an existing record. If a match is found, you can also create new condition by selecting specific fields from both the Salesforce account and Magento customer object. Now the changes have been done and the matching criteria saved. So you can follow this same process to add matching criteria for products and contact. Ensuring accurate data sync across all objects. Now let's dive into one of the most powerful features of the Magento 2 Salesforce Connector. The Bi-directional Sync. This feature enables seamless two-way data flow between the two platforms. That means changes made in Salesforce will automatically reflected in Magento. For example, adding a new product in Salesforce. This new product information will be pushed back into Magento, ensuring your product records are always up to date on both platforms. Remember, this is a paid feature of the connector, and it can be enabled according to your specific need. Once activated, the connector will automatically push and pull updates in real time from both platforms. If you are interested in enabling this feature for your store, simply contact our support team to discuss your requirement and get started with this cutting-edge functionality. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webcool.com or raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com.